A good place to begin would be at the Start. So let's take a quick tour around the Start menu and see what's new and different. The Start menu will look familiar to you if you've used previous versions of Windows. Frequently used programs line up on the left, with shortcuts to folders and other options on the right. The bottom of the Start menu features a search box, which makes it really easy to locate programs and files. More on that in a moment. Here's a handy way to get back to a recently used file fast. Hover the mouse over program shortcuts. For instance, in our example, Microsoft Word or PowerPoint. You'll see a list of files that were recently used by this program. In Windows speak, this is called a jump list. You may remember from earlier versions all recently used files displayed in one big list. To locate your programs, hover or click on the All Programs link just above the search box. A few of the programs that come with Windows 7 display along the top, along with other applications which are organized into folders, such as the one containing the Microsoft Office programs. Notice that when a program is opened, it's automatically added to the list of frequently used programs. This list will expand over time as programs are opened, but keep in mind you have the option to pin a program to the Start menu by dragging it to the top of the list, making it easier to find your favorite programs. One of the coolest parts of the Start menu is the search box beneath all programs. This is the absolute fastest way to find programs and files, internet history, and even emails. In this example, I'll type calculator. The results find one program, the calculator, plus items from the control panel, a document, and a couple of emails that all include the word calculator. The first item at the top of the list can be opened by simply clicking Enter on the keyboard. If you're someone who likes to work quickly, you'll likely find yourself using this new search box. Now let's take a look at the right side of the Start menu. This is where you'll find your stuff. These are predefined folder shortcuts. The first item displays your name and, when clicked, opens what's called your personal folder, which is where you go to find your documents, pictures, downloads, saved searches, and other items. Below that, more specific shortcuts to take you directly into the Documents folder, or to Pictures, or to Music. The link to Computer opens up what we used to call My Computer, the folder that displays disk drives, such as your C drive, D drive, CD drive, and other hardware connected to your computer. And you would click Devices and Printers to view and manage printers, print jobs, and other devices. By the way, this is all customizable, so items displayed on the Start menu may vary based on your organization. And finally, at the bottom is the Power button, which needs little explanation. When clicked, it closes all the programs, shuts down Windows, and shuts off your computer. The arrow just to the right has a few options for those times when you need to switch users, log off, lock, restart, or put the computer to sleep. And that gives you a quick tour of the Start menu. In separate clips, we'll take a look at the desktop and the taskbar.